What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have something pretty cool. I saw Rich Lux do a advent calendar video where he pulled everything out so you guys could see what was in it, compared prices and all that fun stuff. So I figured I would do it. And today is actually Thanksgiving Day, and we went out to a couple of stores, but we went to Target, and as we were going through the wraparound lines, that was crazy. I actually found this, and it's the 12 Days of Beauty, and it's by the Target Beauty, because Target normally does like a beauty box, and you can get it, it's like $5 or $10. But this is their 12 Days of Beauty. It's a little calendar, and it says that it's valued at over $65. I did not pay that. I paid, it was $19.99, but for today's deal, Thanksgiving deal, it was like $13, $14. So I paid $14, and we are going to open this baby up, see what all's in it, if it is worth it to get it. And who knows, it might be a really good present to get somebody that you are, who's into makeup, who's into beauty, anything like that. So it might be something to look for, maybe as a gift for this year for Christmas or something. So we're going to go ahead and open her up and see what's inside. All right, so I literally just got this today. Open her up. It's pretty big, so I'm hoping it's not like super tiny trial sizes compared to what I've seen in like other little calendars. But this is the baby here, and then you open her up like this. Says 12 Days of Beauty, and then it has it all numbered out. Ooh, I'm scared to like rip her open. I guess we'll just hold her like this, and this will be good enough. So we're gonna go ahead and just go number 1 through 12. So this is number 1 right here, which is this long one, and we'll see what it is. And I kind of want to hold it up so you guys can see with me. So number 1 definitely isn't a little travel trial size. Let's see. Number 1 is by AHC. It's Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. Concentrated eye cream for the whole face. So it is 1.1 ounces. This is the packaging right here. I have never used anything from AHC, but this will be a good way to try something new. And I'm assuming everything you can get right at Target. So, open her up. Oh, it's already sealed, so I'm not going to pull her open all the way. But this is it right here. It is definitely full size, I'm assuming, because there's no way this is like a trial size thing. But that's pretty cool that it's full size product. So I'm assuming everything else in here is kind of full size too, or at least like a deluxe size. Because this is awesome. So I'm wondering if that already paid for the box itself. So that was number 1. Number 2 is up here. Let's see. Number 2 is, let's see what it is. Number 2 is hard to pull out. All right, finally, number 2 is by Soap and Glory. It is the Sexy Mother Pucker Lip Plumping Gloss. So this is it right here. Oh, I have it upside down. So this is it right here. I believe, if I am not mistaken, Tati from Glam Life Guru has actually talked about this gloss before and how much she loves it. So I am interested. I actually have, if you watched the BoxyCharm unboxing for November. I'm actually wearing this. It is Nude Mood by Dose of Colors. But I am going to put some of this on top. It kind of smells like chocolate. That's cute. So this is it, and I do know that you can get Sip and Glory at Target. So let's move on to number 3. So number 3 is right here. And number 3 is this, and it is by Design Elements. How do you open this baby up? All right. Number 3 is a detangling leave-in conditioner by Design Elements. It's almond and avocado. So this is like one of those little travel sizes, but I've never had anything from I keep saying Design Elements. It is not that, y'all. It is Design Essentials, and it has jojoba oil. So it's for all types, detangling leave-in conditioner. So that would be really good to take with you, like, on trips. All right, moving on to number 4. Number 4 is, let's see. Ooh, almost dropped it. It is by Hair Food. It is a coconut dry shampoo. It's sulfate-free, paraben-free, and dye-free. And I love dry shampoos. My absolute favorite is Batiste, but I'm always down to try something new. So, it does smell like coconuts. So, I'm really excited about this. And that'll be good to, like, carry on trips. All right. Number 5 is up here. And number 5 is, it is by Milani. It's the highly rated mascara. So this is like a little deluxe size mascara. And I don't remember if I talked about it or if you guys knew, but maybe a couple months ago, Milani came out with like 3 or 4 mascaras. And this was one of them. So I heard good things about their mascaras. Doesn't have a weird smell, but this is the one for the highly rated mascara. And I can definitely now feel my lips starting to plump. But it's not like a bad burn or like anything, nothing too intense. But it's pretty. Can you guys tell the difference? I don't know. All right, moving along. So number 6 is up here. And number 6 it is by Native. It's coconut and vanilla body wash, sulfate free, paraben free. So you do get a body wash. So you get a good range of like products like eye cream, lip plumper. You've got leave-in conditioner, dry shampoo, mascara, and now you've got body wash. So, oh, that smells really good. So, I've never tried Native either, but I've heard good things. I've heard of them before. So, all right, number 7 is this one. And number 7 is also by Native, and it is a deodorant. It's coconut, same scent as the body wash, but this is like a little travel deodorant, and it is, let's see, is this made with love on this side, y'all? I don't know if you can see that, but that's cute. So, oh, that smells really good. Anyways, a little travel size deodorant. That was what, 7? So we need to move on to 8 right here. Number 8. Ooh, I know number 8. Number 8 is a little mini, but it's by Pixie, and it's their Glow Tonic. So if you haven't heard of Pixie before, you can get them at Target. This is the Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner, and I really like their facial cleansing stuff. It's really, really good. But you get a little mini of that. Number 9 is this big old baby right here. Let me see. That must be what's fallen over here. Number 9 is by K Bella. It is a plumping gold peel off mask. So that is it. 10 is right here. We are almost done, y'all. So far, I'm pretty happy with like all these little goodies. Alright, 10 is by Pantene, and it's Cheat Day. This is dry shampoo foam. So you get 2 dry shampoos. You get one by Hair Food, which is just a regular dry shampoo. And then by Pantene, you get a dry shampoo foam. So that'll really give you a chance to try out different ones and see what you like better, what you prefer, which is the foam or just the regular dry shampoo. I've tried a foam before. I haven't tried this one. I didn't like the one that I had previously, but who knows, I might actually like this one. So I'm really excited to try all that because I am a dry shampoo connoisseur and I love me some dry shampoo. All right, so that was 10. So we're going to move on to number 11 and open her up. So this is another item from Pantene, and it is the Misbehaving Dry Conditioner Mist. So you also get, basically it's like a dry shampoo, but a conditioner instead. So I guess after you dry shampoo your hair, you can condition it as well. So that's cool. I've never tried anything like that. So I'm really excited to try something like this. All right, last one is number 12. So number 12. Right. So for number 12, we got, I guess, different types of moisturizers. These are by Lumine. Arctic Luminescence is from Finland. I guess they're new. But these are it right here, the little packets. And I guess they're moisturizers. So this is a Intense Hydration 24-hour moisturizer. And then this one is Glow Reveal Moisturizer that contains vitamin C. So that's the little sample packs that you can try before you buy. So that was cool. And that is everything that I got in this little calendar, countdown to Christmas calendar. 12 Days of Beauty. So, oh, I dropped one. I was like, wait, I'm supposed to have another one. And the last one actually is the same thing, but it is a Hydration Recharge Overnight Cream. So you got 3 little sample packs to try out from this brand. I haven't heard of them, but I'm excited to try. I love like little things like this before I buy anything, like a full size of something, to make sure I actually like it. But that is everything that we got in this little advent calendar thing. 12 Days of Beauty at Target. For me, it definitely was worth the $13, $14 because, I mean, I love anything hair-wise, like all this dry shampoo, dry conditioner kind of stuff. That is up my alley. This is definitely, you can feel it on the lips, but it's not as bad as some of the other ones. I don't know if you guys have ever tried, I think it's Too Faced lip injection or something like that. It is like way intense. This is nice. It's a little bit stinging, but it doesn't like kill your face, if that makes sense. And then you also get this detangling leave-in conditioner. You get some body wash and deodorant. I like this because you got a nice range of products. You didn't get just like all makeup or all skincare or something like that. You also got Glow Tonic, mascara, the lips, the mask, the gold mask, and then the full size of the eye cream. So that is pretty cool. I really do like this. So if you get the chance, or if you have somebody you're looking to get something for Christmas that is pretty cool, I would say go for it if you get the chance to get this. Or if you want to get it for yourself and just get some cool products to try out. It's definitely worth it. So, I don't know. It's up to you, but I think it's worth the $13, $14 I paid. And I'm sure they'll probably still have some more sales going on. So you probably won't ever pay the full $19.99. But I would probably still pay $19.99 for this. It's not bad. But anyways, guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, or if you want to see me kind of open up more little 12 days of whatever, be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.